What's up guys, welcome back to One Life Cars. Today is a very quick tutorial as I'm in the middle of filming another tutorial and this has got in the way. So I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on the Ford Transit Connect as seen here, Mark 1 2003 model, on how to remove and replace the intercooler. Not necessarily changing it as this intercooler is not broke or anything, but as it turns out, to do the thermostat and a lot of other things down here, it's just really in the way. I don't think it'll be that hard to remove. It'll only be on mounting bolts and the two pipes. So we might not even undo the pipes. I might just sort of, oh no, they're hard plastic. So we will have to undo these two Jubilee clips, get the intercooler just out of the way so I can continue with my other video. And it's also good to know if you need to do any service jobs, things like water pump thermostat, you'll want this out of the way. So first thing what I do is undo these two Torx bolts. They look like T25s, but I'll confirm the exact size in a minute. Get the plastic out of the way and look at unbolting the actual intercooler. So guys, Ford Transit Connect intercooler removal. First thing you're going to need is a TX25 bit, Torx 25. Just stuck mine into an adjustable, as the screwdriver handle for them sometimes isn't that good for the tighter bolts. It makes it dead hard to undo. So we're going to undo these two bolts here first. They're not that tight anyway. And then pull this plastic cover off and look at how to undo the actual intercooler. Oh yeah, before you pull the cover off and that as well, undo these two Jubilee clips for both charge pipes. I don't know if they're both called charge pipes, are they? Is it just the one going from the turbo? I don't know, but you know what pipes I mean. These two here that go into the intercooler, the return and inlet. And then get these two screws out, get this plastic cover off. It should just pop up after that, I think. I'll let you guys know in a few seconds when the screw's out. Put them safe. Not the safest place, but it'll do for now. Oh yeah, that just pops up like that, revealing the intercooler. For those of you who don't know and want to know, the intercooler cools down charged air from the turbocharger. Right, we've got 4 mounting bolts. 1, 2, look like 10 millis, 3, and there should be one there, but there's not. And then it should just loosen. Yeah, it's just on those. Also got a sensor here, a little clip on it. Pop that off like so. Undo these two charge pipes, 4 bolts, 10 milli. That should come off out the way. So I'll undo those, undo the 2 Jubilee clips, and let you know how it goes. Guys, just to let you know, the 8mm bolts these for the intercooler. So 4 8mm bolts and a flat screwdriver for the 2 Jubilee clips. I've already undone them. Pipes came off fairly easily. I've just got a ratchet and extension so you can get into this back one. They're a bit tight and rusty, but they do come loose. Right, so get them out and we'll be able to pull this intercooler out of the way and get back to my other video. So I'll let you know when it's out and just quickly go over how to put it back, and then we'll end the video there. So I've undone the 4 8mm bolts that were there, and it just pops straight up like so. Not too heavy. You can get that out of the way. So if you're replacing your intercooler, oh yeah, and watch you don't just do what I've just done and drop the Jubilee clips off the end of the pipes. We'll have to find that in a minute. So if you're replacing your intercooler, this is the point where you'd get your new one in. Probably have to replace these pipes and that sensor onto your new one if you've not got new bits on it. And then it'd just be a case of lining it back up like so, putting those 4 bolts back in, connecting the pipes back up, tighten the Jubilee clips up, connect the electric connections to the sensor. Job is done. Intercooler back on. So that's how to remove and replace your intercooler, guys, on the Mark 1 Ford Transit Connect. So I'm going to end that video here. If you're new to the channel, you like what you see, hit that thumbs up, show some support, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this on future, or maybe you want to request your own video on your own car. Do my best to make that happen for you if you do. Till next time guys, my name's Sam Clark, this is One Life Cars, peace.
down here, start to make the road,